Hey, to connect your OPPO Enco Air 2 with your iPhone or for example the iPad, first of all you will have to remove both earbuds from this charging case and you will have to click and hold the touch sensors. They are located on the left and the right earbud. So let's do this. Click and hold both sensors. You will feel the vibrations, the small vibrations, and now you can release after 5 seconds of holding. Then when you input both earbuds back into the charging case, you can find that your indicator is blinking white, which means that we are in the pairing mode. So keep that case open. On your iPhone, you will have to go into the Bluetooth settings, and on the other devices list, select OPPO Enco Air 2. Okay, and additionally you can actually connect these earbuds with the Hey Melody application. You can get it completely for free from the App Store. And yeah, this is it for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel.